This documentary presents a fictional vision. It is inspired by emerging technologies and future possibilities. Traffic lights are gone. Roads are empty. Everyone is flying above the city. By 2037, America could build its very first flying car city. Morning traffic disappears. Millions travel through the sky instead.
AI controls every flying car with incredible speed and precision.
Invisible sky highways guide every vehicle safely to its destination.
Your flying car lands directly on your apartment balcony.
Inside, artificial intelligence handles every part of your journey.
Flying ambulances reach emergencies in just a few minutes. Every flying car could have its own intelligent AI pilot.
Passengers simply relax. Artificial intelligence handles the journey.
Emergency flying ambulances could reach patients within just minutes.
Firefighters might battle massive fires directly from the sky.
Police patrols could monitor the city from above 24 hours a day.
Smart weather systems could redirect flights before dangerous storms arrive. Buildings could include rooftop airports instead of traditional parking lots. The sky itself could become America's newest transportation network. Flying schools could train the next generation of aerial drivers across America. Shopping malls could offer drive-in sky parking for flying vehicles. The city could run entirely on clean electric energy and artificial intelligence. Even the skies could become safer than today's crowded highways. But building a flying car city would require enormous innovation and investment. Could this incredible vision become reality by the year 2037? No one knows for sure, but the future may arrive much sooner than we expect. Would you live in America's flying car city? Comment below and subscribe for more future documentaries. The future isn't waiting, it's already taking flight. See you in the next documentary on NextGen Future.